Chapter 21. India, Unity in Diversity. Do you know that our country is full of diversities? Different regions of our country shows a variety of food habits, clothing habits, lifestyle and traditions. The state of Kashmir is called the paradise on earth. It is famous for its kahwa, that is a special hot drink. The state of Kerala is called the God's own country and is famous for its tall coconut trees that are seen everywhere. Rajasthan is the colorful state of our country, and West Bengal is famous for its culture and sandesh, that is a sweet. Let us explore the details of this country. Let us explore the details of the diversity of the country in this chapter. So, let us read how is it explained in our book. Our country is a land of diversities. It consists of many states. Each state has own unique languages, cuisines, music, dances, dresses, etc. There are different landforms and religions in our country. In spite of all these diversity, we are all united by a common thread. That common thread is we all are Indians. In spite of being diverse in many ways, it is this Indianness that binds all of us together. In this chapter, we shall study the diversities of our country in some of our states. Kashmir. Kashmir is a beautiful state located in the northmost part of India. Srinagar is its summer capital and Jammu is its winter capital. It is popular among tourists due to its immense natural beauty. Therefore, it is called a paradise on earth. Dal Lake, Pahalgam and Gulmarg are some famous tourist spots of Kashmir. Tourists like to stay in houseboats that float on the Dal Lake. The Kashmir Valley looks like a beautiful floral garland surrounded by snow-capped mountains, lakes and streams. The tall pine and chinar trees also add to its heavenly beauty. Food and lifestyle. The people of Kashmir are very hospitable and friendly. Both men and women of this state wear a loose embroidered warm shirt called firan. Men wear a cap while women wear a long scarf to cover their heads. People speak Kashmiri, Dogri and Urdu. They drink a special hot drink called kahwa. Kangri, an earthen pot with burning coal, is used by them in winter to keep themselves warm. Kashmir is also known for its beautiful embroidered woolen suits, pashmina shawls and carpets. Farming, craftsmanship and flower selling are the main occupations of the Kashmiri peoples. Kerala. Kerala lies in the south of India. This state is known for its beautiful beaches, temples and natural beauty. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital. One can see tall coconut trees and green meadows everywhere in rural Kerala. Kerala is also called God's own country. Kovalam beach is popular beach of Kerala. Cochin is Kerala's chief port. Padmanabhan Swami and Guruvar are some famous temples of Kerala. Food and lifestyle. The men of Kerala wear mundu, a white cloth wrapped as a lower garment, with a cotton kurta, while the women wear mundu and a blouse. On special occasions, the women wear white or cream-colored silk saris with heavy golden borders. Malayalam is language spoken by the peoples of India. Farming and fishing are the main occupations. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. Boat races organized during this festival are a great attraction for tourists. People mostly eat rice, fish, coconut and banana. Kathakali is the classical dance form of Kerala. Kerala has the highest percentage of literacy rate in India. Rajasthan. Rajasthan lies in the north-western part of India. It lies in the Thar Desert. Jaipur is the capital city of this state. It is also called Pink City. The people of Rajasthan are quite different from the people living in the deserts of other parts of the world. Rajasthanis are known for their valor, liveliness and colorfulness. Rajasthan is also called Rangoli Rajasthan or Colorful Rajasthan. Rajasthan is very popular among the tourists. Thousands of tourists come here every year from all over the world. Most of the cities of Rajasthan like Jodhpur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner are famous for their splendid forts. Food and lifestyle. The people of Rajasthan are fond of bright colors. The men wear large, colorful turbans, dhotis and kurtas. Women wear colorful ghangras, cholis and long chunneries or odhnis to cover their heads. People speak Marwadi or Rajasthani. Dal bati churma is a popular dish of Rajasthan. Gangaur and Tej are the main festivals. Ghumar is a popular form of dance. The people here are very fond of Kathputli or puppet shows. There is a great demand for Rajasthani handicrafts in the world. Rajasthan is also famous for its jewelry. That is why Rajasthan is also called Shopper's Paradise. West Bengal. West Bengal lies in the eastern part of India. Its capital is Kolkata. The people of this state are known for their love for music, dance, painting, theatre, and sports. Therefore, Kolkata is also called the cultural capital of India. Important places of tourist interest in West Bengal are Dakshineshwar Temple, Kali Temple at Kalighat, Science City and Victoria Memorial. Food and lifestyle. The Bengali men wear a white dhotis and a long kurtas, while women cotton and silk saris in the Bengali style. On special occasions, women wear white saris with red borders. Ravindra, Sangeet and Chahu are very famous. People also visit theatres to watch dramas. Bengali Rasagulla and Sandesh are sweet dishes that are eaten all over India with great fondness. The festival of Durga Puja is celebrated with great pomp and show. The Bengalis love to eat rice and fish curry. It is their staple food. Interesting fact: West Bengal is bordered by the countries of Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh and the Indian states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim and Assam. Keywords: Kahwa, a special hot drink. Firan, a loose embroidered warm shirt. Mundu, a white cloth wrapped as a lower garment. Ghumar, a popular dance of Rajasthan. Now children, let us revise what we learned in this chapter. Now I know. India is a country full of diversities. However, we are all Indians in spite of being diverse in many ways. Each state here has its own unique languages, cuisines, music, dances and dresses. Kashmir is the northernmost state of India. It has beautiful lakes, gardens and mountains. Kerala is known for its coconut trees, beautiful beaches and temples. Rajasthan lies in the northwestern part of India. It is known for its forts and lively people. West Bengal lies in the eastern part of India. Its capital, Kolkata, is also called Cultural Capital of India. The people of this state are very fond of music, dance, painting, theatre and sports.